Mountain Province is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region. It is composed of 0 cities, 10 municipalities, and 144 barangays. The 10 municipalities comprising Mountain Province, which has a total of about 144 barangays, are the following. We have the municipality of Barleg, which is composed of 11 barangays, the municipality of Bauco, which is composed of 22 barangays, the municipality of Besao, which is composed of 14 barangays, the municipality of Bontoc, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital, is composed of 16 barangays, the municipality of Natonin, which is composed of 11 barangays, the municipality of Paracelis, comprising 9 barangays, the municipality of Sabangan, which is composed of 15 barangays, the municipality of Sadanga, comprising 8 barangays, the municipality of Sagada, which is composed of 19 barangays, and the municipality of Tadian, which is composed of 19 barangays. Once again, the 10 municipalities comprising Mountain Province are the following: Municipality of Barleg, Municipality of Bauco, Municipality of Besao, Municipality of Bontoc, Municipality of Natonin, Municipality of Paracelis, Municipality of Sabangan, Municipality of Sadanga, Municipality of Sagada, and the Municipality of Tadian. There are 10 municipalities and 144 barangays. And that is all about the different things that you need to know about Mountain Province. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.